Collaboration between ADA Forsyth and IOF as innovation experts convene at 2024 International Orthodontic Symposium. The 2024 IOF-ADA Symposium in Cambridge showcased global orthodontic innovation with 30 experts, 20 lectures, and 111K views. The 2024 IOF-ADA Forsyth International Orthodontic Symposium, held in Cambridge, Massachusetts, USA, on October 5 to 6, brought together thought leaders from around the globe to discuss the latest innovations and advancements in orthodontic. This milestone event marked the first of 3 joint symposia by the International Orthodontic Foundation and ADA Forsyth Institute to promote global innovation in orthodontic. With 20 lectures and 2 fireside discussions led by 30 experts from 24 international institutions, the symposium attracted 111,000 online views from 52 countries and regions, in addition to the sold-out venue audience. Last year, the symposium was held in Hong Kong, Asia, and next year, it will take place in Madrid, Europe. IOF's transition from Asia to the Americas and then to Europe demonstrates its commitment to ensuring that voices from different academic schools of thought are heard on a global stage. As Donald Huang, co-chairman of the board of IOF and partner and managing director of Care Capital Group, stated, each year, IOF selects a city embodying innovation and progress for our annual symposium. From Hong Kong's vibrant skyline to Boston's rich history and cutting-edge healthcare, we've connected with remarkable minds. Innovation in orthodontic and beyond. The 2024 symposium brought together some of the most influential thought leaders in orthodontic, each sharing valuable insights that will shape the future of the field. Experts discussed how the latest advancements in technology influence daily clinical practices and how these innovations will continue to evolve. Contributions from notable figures such as Dr. Raymond Colmier, Executive Director of the American Dental Association, and renowned materials scientist and MIT Professor Michael Chima, a member of the prestigious National Academy of Engineering, provided a forward-looking view on how orthodontic technologies will impact both clinicians and patients alike. ADA Forsyth's mission is to serve and help people globally, Dr. Colmier said in his presentation, which opened the conference. The orthodontic research and innovation communities must rise to the challenge of revolutionizing orthodontic treatment with new technologies. Professor Chima shared that science is about making the unknown known, and engineering is about making the impossible possible, as he highlighted the role of each in driving change. He described his cutting-edge work creating a precision drug delivery device for epilepsy that could potentially inspire new therapeutic procedures in dentistry. Over the course of the 2-day symposium, leading experts shared their latest innovations in areas such as orthodontic appliances, AI-assisted personalized treatment, novel tools for sleep apnea monitoring, complex case management, and teleorthodontic. The symposium also highlighted significant innovations such as miniscrew-assisted rapid palatal expansion (MAP) and the use of AI and VR in orthodontic education and clinical practice. AI-driven diagnostic and planning tools are providing orthodontists with new ways to improve care, making treatments more precise and accessible. Experts share best practices and limitations to integrate some of these technologies into clinical workflow, offering practical solutions that enhance treatment efficiency and patient outcomes. AFI-IOF partnership aims to revolutionize oral health. Though the core missions of AFI and IOF are different, both are committed to expanding education and collaboration while empowering the use of new technologies to revolutionize access and quality of oral health care. Through continuous efforts in education, research, and building a global platform for communication, IOF is breaking geographical barriers and making significant strides in enhancing patient care worldwide, whether in developed nations or in developing regions. During this year's symposium, 3 IOF members from the United States, Italy, and Syria shared their moving stories, recounting how the IOF has transformed their lives. Donald Huang remarked, "As we connect with members globally, we found many inspiring stories. Their stories remind us of the profound difference we make as educators, mentors, and professionals in this field. Our true measure of success lies not in numbers, but in the hearts we've touched, confident children, purpose-driven orthodontists, and transformed lives." Dr. Kang Ting, Executive Director at the IOF and Adjunct Faculty at AFI, affirmed IOF's commitment to education in his speech. "We believe that freely accessible high-quality global education and research opportunities are not just for our professionals, but truly for the benefit of patients worldwide and the public interest." It is a vision that welcomes and includes all, regardless of background or location. Dr. Wenyuan Shi, CEO of AFI, identified the collaboration with IOF as one of the first of many such partnerships, representing AFI's commitment to expanding access to oral health care globally. We are working to promote advancement of cutting-edge technologies and research in the field through collaborative projects with international partners, including joint training programs for postdocs and joint symposia. Earlier this year, the Institute signed partnerships with Dubai Health and Seoul National University to improve international collaboration and further education in oral health research and innovation. 2025 Symposium, Emerging Technology for Interdisciplinary Care. The 2025 AFI-IOF International Orthodontic Symposium in partnership with UCM will convene at Complutense University of Madrid, UCM, Spain, on June 27 to 28, 2025. With the theme Emerging Technology for Interdisciplinary Care, this symposium marks the first tri-party collaboration in its history, bringing together IOF, a global academic organization, AFI, a leading North American dental research institute, and UCM, one of Europe's foremost research universities, to create a global forum for knowledge exchange. Through this unique alliance, the symposium will gather experts in orthodontic from across Europe, North America, Asia, and other regions to delve into advancements in orthodontic innovation and explore intersections with disciplines such as materials science and computer science. This exchange promises a dynamic fusion of diverse academic perspectives that will further elevate orthodontic practice worldwide. Company, International Orthodontic Foundation Limited. Contact person, Brandon Khan. Email, brandon.khan@iofglobal.org. Website, https://www.iofglobal.org. Telephone, +862 155821505. City, Hong Kong. Address, Unit 1603, 16 Pfeff Tower 1, Silvercord 30, Canton Road TST KL, Hong Kong.